So today's comment came from Umar Dawaki, and he said, please stop putting this background sound, they are not appropriate. You are saying meaningful things, not comedy. And someone below said, please remove this background sounds. And some people called me and told me, please, I should remove that background sounds. So now we already planned for the first 1 month, that is first 4 weeks, so it will have effect from this week, which is week 5, our second month of uploads. Thank you for your suggestions, comments, likes, and everything. I appreciate it. And if someone has any suggestion or comments or any advice, please let him forward it on our website, our social media platforms, and all other places that you can send it through. Thank you. This, because this shows you are following us, you want our videos to be on the right path. Thank you.